All right, this is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for clicking on to the latest edition here of East Weather Video. I'm cutting this here mid-morning on Saturday morning, and we'll start off with a look at the Greenville-Spartanburg NEXRAD site. And as expected, the moisture that was causing some wintry precip back over Mississippi and Alabama, even into parts of Georgia, really vanished from the radar screen as we had our very dry air mass in place, and all that's left is a couple of radar returns back over northeast Georgia and the upstate of South Carolina. But again, as expected, this system really didn't amount to much for us except for the clouds you see overhead this morning. Temperatures will be relatively cool today. We're talking mainly 40s for high temps out there today. This is off of the 6Z run of the GFS, and this is valid 7 o'clock this evening, and there's your what's left of the low pressure area riding up off the Carolina coastline. And here we'll probably see a few intervals of sunshine trying to work on in this afternoon, but certainly for a good chunk of the day, more clouds than sun today. All right, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that low pressure riding up the coast. Sunday will be a day that features lots of sunshine around here, maybe some snow showers early Sunday up in the North Carolina mountains and up into the Virginias and Maryland as well. But around here, again, Sunday, not a bad-looking day, a lot of sunshine on the way. Same story for Monday, a lot of sunshine, and we will see some high temperatures kicking up into the 50s, if not Sunday in most spots, and certainly by Monday, some 50s returning for afternoon high temperatures. Now, 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, there's our next cold front. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that front lined up really just east of the Mississippi River and pushing eastward. And later Tuesday, we will see some chances for showers moving on in, and it looks like, if you believe the GFS, the best chance for rain probably occurs with this system from late afternoon on into the evening hours on Tuesday, and this sweeps on out. This isn't a lot of heavy rain, but maybe a decent little shot of some showers later Tuesday into parts of Tuesday night. By 1 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, that front is passed, and we're looking at a quiet weather day here on Wednesday with probably a pretty fair amount of sunshine. But there is our next system for Thursday, and I'm really getting an increased level of confidence as to how this system might evolve, and it looks like almost a certainty we're going to have cold air damming getting established as the system moves in Thursday. Now, I will say the GFS a little quicker with moving the system in Thursday than most other modeling. A lot of the other modeling holds off the precip until Thursday night. But based on the GFS, you would see precipitation moving in Thursday, and taken verbatim, this run of the GFS shows maybe a quick shot of a very brief period of snow, but very quickly this turns into a primarily freezing rain type of deal on Thursday. There we are, 7 o'clock on Thursday evening, the 0 degree line up at 850 millibars by that point, way up in the Virginias. But at the same time, let me show you what happens here at the surface. These are surface temperatures on the modeling, and notice that is the freezing line roughly down along Interstate 85. So if that's the case, that'd be a pretty decent freezing rain event in western parts of North Carolina as we went through the day Thursday with that cold air damming in place. And as that main low pressure area begins to crank up toward the Ohio Valley, the air mass warms up enough there, then we just see a good dose of rain as we go through the day Friday. There we are, 7 o'clock on Friday evening, and that is some heavy rain falling across parts of the area. And certainly by Friday, the atmosphere, at least on the modeling we're looking at now, warm enough that this would just be rain on Friday. I'm pretty confident. Let me show you the European model, valid 7 o'clock Thursday evening, and there's your cold air damming signature, very prevalent. And this will be a little tough to see, but on the Canadian model, cold air damming very present on the Canadian model as well. But again, the GFS does move it in a little quicker during the day Thursday as opposed to most other modeling holding off to Thursday night. And that'll be important because the GFS timing, at least on the 6C run, is really perfect if you're looking to get some sort of icing event out of this. The other modeling is slower. So when I say I'm confident that we're going to see some cold air damming, and I'm confident that we at least have the chance for a little period of wintry precip over the western Carolinas before we probably kick over to just an all-rain event by Friday. So that's it for this edition of East Weather Video, and keep checking the blog. I want to hear your feedback on the new layout of the blog. Any suggestions you might have, please feel free and drop me a line and let me know what you think. But at any rate, this is it for this edition of East Weather Video. God bless you all, and everyone have a great weekend.